Mr. Corradini.
Good afternoon to you.
Welcome to India.
Thank you.
And the first question I want to interact with you is that there is a switch from traditional automotive to electric mobility. So can you let us know about the challenges and opportunity Marposs is looking at?
It's a challenge. For sure, it's a challenge because for a company like Marposs, who was a leader in the gauging quality solution for the traditional automotive, the changing from the traditional internal combustion engine to the electromobility was primarily a risk at the beginning. We tried to analyze what we could do in the world as we suppose it was changing, and it is changing because we put ourselves this question a few years ago. And I think that we have succeeded after 5 years, probably, more or less, to completely change our proposal to the market with a series of new solutions dedicated to the electromobility. So in the end, for us, was an opportunity. So we transformed a risk in an opportunity.
And how do you see the adoption of electric vehicle globally? How do you see the market evolving?
The market is a kind of leopard skin in this period. We have Europe. We are an Italian company, so we see in first instance the decision of the European Commission, and Europe has set very, very strict regulation which will forbid any sale of internal combustion engine from 2035, and 2035 is almost tomorrow.
Correct.
So Europe has set this and is also trying to invest in order to be competitive with the decision that USA has made with more than $200 billion to promote the production of electric vehicle, all the production chain of the electric vehicle in the US. And the same was done in China with the Made in China 2025. So, it's a kind of mix between different markets. What we see is that in any case, most of the car maker has already taken their decision, and the battery solution for the electromobility is the one where they are investing more now in this moment.
You spoke about sustainability. So how does Marposs see sustainability, in terms of a company, in terms of your product? How do you adopt sustainability, for your global market?
Sustainability is a big issue. It's a big issue and has a lot of aspects to be considered. Marposs is very well known since the beginning for the production of systems which are optimizing a manufacturing process. Doing this, Marposs is already offering a contribution to the sustainability, because optimizing the machining process means to reduce the time of machining process, reducing the consumption of energy, reducing the consumption of coolant on the machine that we know have a big impact on the pollution. So it's a kind of contribution that Marposs has always done to the sustainability in general. Then, of course, now with the participation to several projects for new solutions for the electromobility, this is also a significant contribution to that direction, to the zero carbon target. I think we are trying to do our best, participating to the trend of the business world where we are part.
My last question will be your message to Indian people or Indian industry about your company, or how Marposs can help them in achieving whether it's battery testing or leak testing. What will be your message for Indian users?
I don't think that India needs messages from we are a good company, but we are not such a huge trendsetter, I would say. So we can bring our experience. We are proudly present in India since more than 15 years, but we were dealing with the market through agents beforehand since ever, I would say. So we have a very strict relationship with India. We think we know the Indian culture, the Indian way of thinking, and we have always tried to implement the solution that were coming available in the Western world. We are dealing a lot with Germany, and Germany is for sure, from a technological point of view, a very important leading market. And we try to transfer this solution all over the world and in India also. So we think that this is our best contribution. Try to contribute to the increasing of the quality of the Indian production with what we can offer as a product.
Thank you, Mr. Corradini, for giving us your time. Have a great stay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Mr. Corradini.
Thank you.